Dahej, an industrial gateway of Bharuch, a growing and developing district of Gujarat. Gujarat state is situated in the western zone of India, enjoying very strategic location for the world trade. Gujarat is being considered to be a prime contact place for the rest of the world for doing international trade with India, which is free trade zone. Gujarat has been front runner in overall economic development in India for all these years. The statistical data reveals that nearly 6% of geographical area and 5% population of the country, the state contributes over 21% of country's exports and 6.2% of national GDP. The industrial growth of the state is estimated at 8.52%, which is considered to be extremely good and can be compared with that of the developed countries of the world. The industrial base of Gujarat is enriched with petroleum, pharmaceutical, petrochemical, cement, agriculture and agro-processing, diamond, textile, engineering, auto ancillaries and more. Dahej has a vast sea coast which is 39 kilometers away from Bharuch. Bharuch is well facilitated with roadways and railways. Gujarat has many inbuilt advantages such as 11 airports, highest in the country, quality power supply compared to other states, statewide connectivity through good quality road and railway network, rich mineral resources, sound fiscal base, sector-specific policies and implementation under very stable government with visionary chief minister. Anik Infrastructure Private Limited, a company promoted by Mr. Mohammad Ali Patel and Mr. Yaqub Gurji. Our joint venture partner is Wintron Infrastructure and Projects Private Limited. Our company provides industrial land, and if the purchasing company agrees, then we too provide infrastructure facility. Land Site 1, Padaria, a village situated at Dahej Gandhar Road, adjoining Bharuch Dahej 4-lane road. Here we have in total 500 acres of land, out of which 150 acres of land has already been acquired by the company. The speciality of this site is that it is nearby the Arabian Sea. Also, Dahej proper is only 8 kilometers and Dahej port is only 5 kilometers away. In near future, the Dahej Gandhar road is proposed to be a 4-lane road. This road is going to get connected with the Mumbai-Delhi Golden Corridor. Land Site 2, Chanchvel, situated at Dahej Gandhar Amod Road. Here we have 1200 to 1500 acres of private land, 800 to 1000 acres government land, out of which 250 acres has already been acquired by the company. The speciality of this site is that Chanchvel is in between Amod and Wagra, the developing taluka places of Bharuch district. This site is 3 kilometers away from GAIL India Limited. This site enjoys 1 kilometer of main road front, gets the advantage of Dadar River and the Arabian Sea coast. Land Site 3, our third land site is situated at Gandhar Wagra Road. The villages like Malipur, Keshwan, Limdi, Pakhajan and Trankal are situated nearby our land, which has 5000 acres of land out of which 200 acres of land has already been acquired by the company. The speciality of this site: the transportation facility is up to the mark of satisfaction. It is an ideal location for container depot. The two major 4-track roads, Bharuch-Dahej and Dahej-Amod respectively, can be effectively utilized. Also, the Bharuch-Dahej broad gauge railway line, which is under construction, is advantageous to this site. The proposed Kalpasar Yojana and Vilayat GIDC are situated nearby. Huge companies like ABG Shipyard, Reliance, a petrochemical refinery unit, Adani Petronet Port Private Limited handling liquid cargo, Indian Oil Corporation Limited, Birla Copper, the largest copper smelting plant, BASF Limited, specialty chemical manufacturer, GACL, the largest manufacturing unit of soda ash in India, Welspun, saw pipe manufacturing unit, Meghmani Fine Chemical Limited, dye and chemical manufacturing unit, Gujarat Fluorochemical, DFC, Pidilite, Isaac, and many other companies are surrounded by all the three land sites. Over and above this, ONGC, with the huge investment of rupees 3,195 crores, is developing Dahej Petrochemical Complex. Government of Gujarat Undertaking Unit GIDC is setting mega chemical and petrochemical estate here on 4,100 hectares, out of which 1,740 hectares is for Special Economic Zone. Gujarat State Petrochemical Corporation has evinced interest in participating in the project as a joint venture partner, and some large industrial units with an aggregate investment of rupees 10,000 crore are already functional in the estate for the solid cargo port has been proposed. Our partner, Wintron Infrastructure and Projects Private Limited. Esteemed clients are Crompton Greaves Limited, Philips India Limited, Bharat Starch Industries Limited, JCT Electronics Limited, IPCA Laboratories, Gujarat Gas Limited, and many more.